this Quadcom will never stop. Alam namin, delikado yung ginagawa namin. But sometimes, meron tayong kasabihan. Minsan ka lang dadaan sa buhay na to. At pag dumaan ka, gawin mo yung tama. Miss Alice Go, pag lumalabas ka ba ng bansa, tinatawagan mo si Attorney Capulong. Associate Commissioner Toby Javier signed the release of all of these 322 Chinese national after their apprehension. Is this correct? Immigration. I hope that after this, you will contemplate within yourselves, para to release, ma-release yung stress. Don't lie, Alice, kasi maraming pictures ako nakuha about yung sa Christmas party that you attended in the NAIA. Di ba?
Opo. Kilala ko po siya.
Huwag tayong magsisinungaling.
Opo.
Well, ang dami na natin nagawang sinungaling tayo. But of course, itong isang to, because I'm trying to retrieve pa yung mga pictures nung Christmas party nung 2022 when you attended that Christmas party and you were the guest speaker at namigay ka pa ng mga ampaw. Is that correct?
Nagdala po ako na pang raffle po.
Yes, sa mga
Opo.
saka ampaw, namigay ka ng ampaw.
Ang pao hindi naman po.
Hindi ka namigay ng ampaw?
Hindi po.
Sigurado ka?
Opo.
Sige. At si Attorney Capulong is the head ng port, ng mga ports natin sa buong Pilipinas. Being the guest ni Attorney Carlos Capulong sa immigration, bakit kayo parang close, ikaw pa yung naimbitahan niya? Sa tingin mo, bakit ikaw yung inimbitahan niya? At siya yung may hawak ng mga ports natin sa buong Pilipinas, Mr. Chairman. So I'm asking you, Alice Go, bakit kayo close ni Carlos Capulong?
Mr. Chair, kaibigan ko po, nung Christmas po, in-invite nga po ako. Naalala ko na po yung sinasabi niyo po sa immigration. Opo.
Yes, so again, don't lie, ha? Saka niya ka kumukuha ng mga yung AEP, correct?
AEP po, hindi po ako.
Alien Employment Permit.
Opo, pero hindi po ako your Mr. Chair.
Sige, okay. Binigyan mo ba ng dalawang sasakyan si Attorney Capulong? Isang 2012 black Alphard at 2018 na light blue Expedition.
Hindi po, Mr. Chair.
Okay, hindi rin. Are you in a tracking business with him?
No
Yung
po.
Itenus Tracking Corporation?
No po, Mr. Chair.
Hindi, okay. Attorney Ungkad. Andito ka ba, Attorney Ungkad? Attorney, do you remember, taga-immigration ka, di ba?
Yes, sir.
You remember that time that Alice Go was the guest speaker in the Christmas party on December 2022?
No, Your Honor. I'm assigned at the head office.
But you heard about it?
No, Your Honor. I just heard it just now.
Okay. Can you kindly tell us about yung mga passes that was issued and requested by somebody inside the immigration, especially Attorney Carlos Capulong? Issuance of passes in the NAIA Terminal 3 for Miss Alice Guo.
I am not aware of those
No,
passes,
what
Your
I'm
Honor.
trying to tell you,
Yes, sir. I'll ask around.
you ask, and Mr. Chairman, maybe better yet, that we invite Mr. Carlos Capulong and invite also the legal officer ng immigration, si Arvin Santos, to shed light on this issuance of passes for Miss Alice Go. There must be an issuance. Miss Alice Go, pag lumalabas ka ba ng bansa, tinatawagan mo si Attorney Capulong?
Hindi po, Your Honor.
Sigurado ka?
Sigurado
So,
po ako.
hindi siya yung tumulong sa iyo. Kasi, imagine, siya yung head ng mga port sa ating bansa. And then, ikaw ang, wait,
Opo,
I'm
sorry
still
po.
speaking, So, ikaw yung speaker niya sa Christmas party, magwa-wonder ka. And, I just wanted to find out as well, you remember yung raid ng NBI saka ng Bureau of Immigration sa Banban Tarlac, wherein yung 322 mga Chinese nationals were apprehended. Di ba kanina pinag-usapan natin yon? And you remember that, ano, no?
Opo.
And accordingly, Mr. Chairman, according to this report, no, that I have gotten just now, Commissioner Morente, Commissioner Alegre, and Associate Commissioner Toby Javier signed the release of all of these 322 Chinese national after their apprehension. Is this correct? Immigration. Can you kindly check it out? If there was indeed a signature of all these commissioners, yes, pertaining to the release of those 322 nationals that were apprehended by themselves, Bureau of Immigration and NBI.
Yes, I'll check, Your Honor.
Can you check? And at the same time, Mr. Chairman, let's invite these commissioners, Commissioner Morente, Commissioner Alegre, and Associate Commissioner Toby Javier, para malaman po natin, ano, and also the Chief Legal Arvin Santos. Now,
Comsec, please take note of the names mentioned.
and also Attorney Carlos Capulong. Alice, sino ang lawyer mo? Taga Pampanga ba? Ang mga lawyers mo?
Hindi po.
Ay, hindi ba, Attorney David, di ba? Taga
Attorney-
Kapampangan ng mga David eh. Am I correct? Yes. Correct. Kapampangan ng mga David. I know a lot of David sa Pampanga. Yes. Is the owner of your law firm, Attorney Carlos Capulong?
I own the building and I own the office.
You own the building? You can speak, please.
David and Hamila Law Office is, I'm the managing partner.
Who is the
And,
managing partner?
Me.
And who is the owner?
Me. I own the building and the office, Your Honor.
You're not in partnership with Attorney...
Your
okay. You are not our resource person at this time, but we will come in that time as well. So, okay. Thank you so much, Mr. Chairman. Siguro kahilingan ko na lang, Miss Alice Go, saka Miss Cassandra Ong. Napapagtahi-tahi na po natin yung mga sitwasyon at yung mga ebidensya na matagal na naming hinahanap ay naglulutangan na. Nalalaman na po natin ang dahilan kung bakit bakit merong kriminalidad behind Pogos and bakit ginamit yung mga corporations. And those people that we wanted to be a part of this investigation, slowly ay nakikita na po natin na nagaganap na po yung paglilinis sa ating gobyerno. May it be a elected official or member of the PNP organization, this Quadcom will never stop. Alam namin, delikado yung ginagawa namin. But sometimes, meron tayong kasabihan. Minsan ka lang dadaan sa buhay na to. At pag dumaan ka, gawin mo na yung tama. Dahil sa tama, hindi ka magkakamali. So, I hope that you will have a change of heart. Because someday, and somehow, isa lang yung ating pupuntahan eh. Sa kanya lang tayo magsusulit sa lahat, sa Ama na lumikha sa ating lahat. I hope that after this, you will contemplate within yourselves, no? Para to release, ma-release yung stress. Stressful yan eh. Kasi, stressful yan. Pero kung magsasabi kayo na totoo, tutulungan nyo kami, andyan na, nakita nyo na, nagdadatingan na yung mga tao na kinakailangan upang mapagtahi-tahi namin yung mga link na matagal na namin hinahanap. I hope that you will find it in your hearts that you will help this government. Maraming salamat, Mr. Chairman.